Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a vlog. Today is gonna be a day in the life of a stay-at-home fiance.
Go for me till let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
I'm actually visiting Kyle for a couple of weeks, so I decided to show you guys what a couple of days look at my life when I'm here. So of things to do for the agenda. We are on the way to Target and TJ Maxx because we are making bread today. We are baking bread today. So it is currently 9:31. I had to get up early because I just been waking up. Like today, I woke up at a ridiculous time today. I woke up at 5:45. Like, who is she? I don't know. Hi girlies, so we are back from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. So what I bought from TJ Maxx was this Dutch oven because the recipe calls for a Dutch oven and Kyle doesn't have one. So I just bought this gray one that it's cute. He can keep it here, goes with his aesthetic. Home Goods, I just bought this loaf pan and it's pink, it's cute. Love that. And then I also got myself the Bake Shop by the Masterclass, and it's so cute. It's pink. It just has a cute little spatula and then a little cookie cutter, which I thought was super adorable. And then at Target we needed stopped at Target because I had to buy the ingredients to make the bread, but then I also bought this so we have somewhere to put. So yeah, that's just a little haul. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these real quick and then I will catch up with you guys. Okay guys, so then we're gonna take instant yeast. I know so many people are like, oh my goodness, yeast. And honestly guys, I'm a big bread baker and this is my first time using yeast and I'm like full send. I mean, baking is real error. So when you're baking, so many people have the misconception that the instructions is what's going to dictate your pastry, but truly the quality in your ingredients is what makes the difference. So make sure, ladies, that whatever you are depositing, whatever ingredients you're depositing into your life brings joy and light to Jesus. Flour's looking like she actually looks really like nice. So we are actually gonna let this sit overnight. She looks really good. So we're gonna cover her up. Having a hobby, specifically reading, allows you to disconnect from the world, from social media, and honestly, reading has really allowed me to not only disconnect, but to also meditate on what God has been doing in my life, and that has been one of the biggest blessings in my life. It's just to read a lot of Christian books or kind of navigate books for you guys. Truly, reading has been such a delight in my life. It's helped my mental health so much because I'm not just scrolling endlessly on the internet, and it's just a good hobby to have. There's more pros and cons. I mean, the only con is that you're like using bigger words in your vocabulary for something so minuscule. Notice I said minuscule and I could have said something like so simple or small in a conversation. I got a Kindle, guys. It has been the best thing. that I could have spent $80 for, and I got the Paperwhite. So I got it on sale, and it is such a good, like, I would recommend if you're a big reader, totally get you a Paperwhite. It's just so nice because sometimes I want to read in bed, but I don't want to hold a book, so I just grab my Paperwhite.
Are you making so far more of that stuff?
More of the stuff? Babe, what are you gonna want to eat for dinner?
We have either, I was thinking we're gonna cook, and it's between